Hey guys, it's Christine and Janae from CM Creations at Dr. Bart, and today we're creating the part 2 of the alcohol ink portrait. So since we laid down the color in the last video, we're going to apply 99% alcohol with a paintbrush. Now, I've never done this before, so we'll be learning together, but apparently it's going to act like a solvent and make this look like paint. So this may be a little messy. Like I said, I've never done this before, and according to Gemini, you're supposed to do light to dark. And as you can see, this picture has been mostly dark. But the main reason I wanted to do this is because I absolutely love to paint. It's like my favorite thing to do, but sometimes it's just easier to draw, and this may make it look, give it a paint like quality. Oh, Gina, what do you think? And if you hear a dog barking, that's Belly. Belly! Okay, should we put her on camera so everyone can see? Just a second, everyone. I'm gonna show you my rugrat. She's not really a rugrat, she's a dachshund. But she's made a couple of appearances, or noise appearances. Everyone, that's Belly. She's a year old. Oh, she likes you guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, Belly. That's your cameo. Sorry for the noise, guys. Belly likes to be the center of attention, and if she's not, she's very vocal about it. Isn't she, Gina? Okay, do we have any more alcohol? Or do you think that's looking muddy? I can't tell. Too much? Oh my god, this smells like I said in the last video, this smells like a hospital. Okay. I think we might have put too much alcohol on the brush. What do you think? I cannot tell. I think we should wipe it because I'm gonna go into a different part. Yeah, it said to wipe it a little bit before you put the alcohol. I think like a smaller one because I'm gonna go into this. And guys, I should say this, it's just a practice because, like I keep saying, I've never done this before. So while Gina gets my brush, it looks good. Can you? Thank you. Thank you. And now I'm gonna go into the skin, and it'll just be me for a few minutes because Gina has to be excused to take Billy out. Yeah, guys, this is just gonna be a practice because, like I said, I don't know a lot. But if you know more, please feel free to tell me because I want my studio practice to become a community because I believe in grassroots approach to art where the curator and the artist work together. It's not necessarily me telling you guys I'm the authority on everything because you know what? That is what makes people feel that art is not for them, which is absolutely not a good reputation because art can do a lot of positive things for everyone, and you don't have to be, a genius at it. I certainly wasn't. So that's why I wanted to do these videos, is to give people who thought that art wasn't for them this way to maybe be inspired to try something different. I think maybe next time I'll try a cotton swab because you know what? I'm not really seeing a difference. Or maybe there just needs some more alcohol. And I would really like you guys to tell me what she should be. Like I said in the last video, I don't know who this character is, but I'd like some feedback or input. And man, getting used to the smell's not easy, that's for sure. And this might work because I haven't mastered like how much alcohol to put on the brush. Like I've said before, I mostly work with acrylics when I paint. But lately I've been doing digital because, sometimes independence is more important in the creative process than, the medium that you choose. Hi guys, it's Christine here. My phone was too full of storage and I had to stop recording. So the last part of this video is generated by AI with the photos that you see on screen. Bye guys, thanks so much.